Easy guide to mixing modern and traditional decor. Blending modern and traditional. Design is a creative way to give your space personality. In this tutorial, we'll explore how HomeStyler can help you balance both styles for a unique, harmonious interior. Begin by defining your base style. Is the room more modern or more classic? Once you know your foundation, use HomeStyler's furniture library to bring in complementary pieces. Pair a traditional sofa with a sleek coffee table or add a vintage rug to a minimalist room. Focus on consistency. Stick to one or two key colors and materials, like mixing wood and glass or leather and linen. HomeStyler allows you to experiment with materials in real time and see how they interact. Scale and proportion matter too. Avoid clashing oversized antique pieces with ultra-slim modern chairs. Instead, create symmetry by matching visual weight. Add finishing touches, traditional molding paired with modern lighting, or contemporary artwork above a carved wooden headboard. Use HomeStyler's Decor library to try out different combinations without commitment. If you're curious about mastering this blend, follow the link in the description to try HomeStyler. You'll find endless inspiration and a design toolkit that adapts to every style.